Welcome back, home decor lovers. If you're ready to take your living space from ordinary to extraordinary, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the top 12 best home decor gadgets that will not only elevate your home style, but also add that perfect touch of convenience and flair. From smart solutions to chic accents, these gadgets are the ultimate game changers for any home. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's explore these must-haves together. The LZE White Sheer Curtains. This set includes two panels, each 56 inches wide and 63 inches long, featuring a luxurious gold pattern on soft, durable polyester fabric. Certified by OCO Tech Standard 100, these curtains ensure safety and quality while adding an elegant touch to any room. The unique design allows you to tie them back in three stylish ways: bow tie, wrap around, or diagonal, adding versatility to your decor. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and more, they filter sunlight beautifully while maintaining privacy. Plus, they're machine washable for easy care. Elevate your home with these must-have sheer curtains. The Keep Showing Cheesecloth Table Runner. This set includes two pieces, each measuring 35 by 118 inches, perfect for weddings, baby showers, and more. Made from high-quality polyester, these runners feature a soft, wrinkled design with delicate edges for a graceful boho look. The durable fabric retains its vibrant color and can be reused for multiple occasions. Ideal for decorating tables, wedding arches, or even as gauze napkins, these versatile runners add a romantic touch to any setting. Easy to care for, just hand wash or use a gentle machine cycle and enjoy their charm for years to come. The Balayage Animals Canvas Wall Art. This set includes four 12x 12-inch panels featuring vintage watercolor designs of a chimpanzee, zebra, bear, and leopard, perfect for kids' rooms or any playful setting. Each canvas is gallery wrapped and comes with a metal hook, making it easy to hang. These versatile prints are ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more, offering a unique and contemporary decor option. Remember, the actual size and colors may vary slightly, so be sure to measure your space before purchasing. Enjoy free international returns and bring these charming animal prints into your home today. Experience unmatched comfort with Decolor's 100% organic viscose bamboo sheets. This twin-size 4-piece set in light olive delivers unparalleled softness, making it perfect for hot sleepers. They're crafted with breeze weave technology. These sheets naturally regulate temperature, ensuring a cool, refreshing night's sleep. Built to last, they feature precise double stitching and a deep 17-inch pocket, fitting even the thickest mattresses. Enjoy the luxurious feel of these wrinkle-free, hypoallergenic sheets, affordable luxury that lasts. Elevate your sleep experience with Decolor today. The Miko Air Purifier. Featuring a 3-in-1 HEPA filter system, this purifier tackles smoke, allergens, pet hair, dust, and odors with ease. Covering up to 1,200 square feet, it's perfect for large rooms. Enjoy whisper quiet operation and control your air quality with the smart Wi-Fi app, allowing you to monitor and schedule from anywhere. Built for reliability and excellence, Miko provides exceptional air purification and customer support. Breathe easier and live healthier with Miko. Order yours today and experience the ultimate in air purity. The Dybia Handheld Mattress Vacuum. Featuring 18 kPa powerful suction, a 450W motor, and smart dust sensor, this vacuum captures dust, pet hair, and debris effortlessly. Its UVC light and ultrasonic technology eliminate 99.99% of harmful particles, while the Quick 140 heating ensures a thorough clean. The washable HEPA filter and dual dust cups make maintenance easy, and the anti-tangle brush roller prevents blockages. Perfect for mattresses, sofas, and carpets. With a 1-year warranty and lifetime support, the Dybia Handheld Vacuum is your ultimate cleaning companion. The Cozy Bliss Proud Lemur Bed Blanket. This luxurious queen-size blanket boasts a vibrant lemur print on one side and a pristine white fleece on the other, thanks to advanced printing technology that ensures the pattern stands out while the white side offers a cozy touch. Crafted from ultra-soft milky plush fabric, it provides unparalleled warmth and comfort, making you feel as though you're wrapped in a cloud. The dense 350 GSM fabric is incredibly soft and shed-free, ensuring a clean, luxurious experience every time. Perfect for a variety of uses, whether you're enjoying a cozy movie night, a relaxing nap, or a stylish picnic. This blanket adds a touch of elegance to any setting. It also makes a thoughtful gift for special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. Easy to care for with machine washing on a cold, gentle cycle and tumble drying at a low temperature, the Cozy Bliss Proud Lemur Bed Blanket maintains its vibrant colors and plush softness wash after wash. Elevate your comfort and enhance your space with this beautifully designed blanket. The Veguru Silicone Banneton Bread Proofing Baskets. Made from premium silicone, these baskets offer long-lasting durability and reliability for all your sourdough baking needs. The set includes both a 10-inch round and a 10-inch oval basket designed to support your dough during proofing and help you achieve perfectly shaped loaves every time. Their innovative foldable design ensures easy storage, making them ideal ideal for kitchens with limited space. And cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick silicone material that prevents residue from sticking and makes them dishwasher safe. Perfect for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts, these versatile baskets are suitable for a range of baking needs, including artisan loaves and baguettes. Enjoy the convenience and quality of Veggeru's silicone Banneton bread proofing baskets for your next baking adventure. The Keep Showing 12-pack cheesecloth table runners in terracotta. Each pack includes 12 35x118 runners, perfect for draping over both round and rectangular tables. Crafted from high-quality polyester, these runners are soft, durable, and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring they add a touch of elegance to any occasion. Their versatile size makes them suitable for a wide range of uses, from weddings and birthday parties to hotel and restaurant settings. Lightweight and skin-friendly, they offer both style and comfort. Easy to store and maintain, these runners are machine washable on a gentle cycle. Enhance your decor effortlessly with this boho chic table runner set. The Big Pon Pon Snackle Box container, featuring a large divided serving tray with a lid and handle. This versatile snack box, available in a sleek white color, measures 12.4 LX 9.4 WX 2.95H and includes 8 separate compartments, perfect for organizing a variety of snacks like vegetables, fruits, nuts, and candies. Its thoughtful design ensures enhanced portability with a convenient handle and cutlery storage compartments for easy handling. Ideal for picnics, movie nights, and parties, this multi-purpose food platter makes snack organization and transportation a breeze. Please note, it's not suitable for microwave or dishwasher use. For any inquiries or assistance, our support team is readily available. The HOLDN Storage Bamboo Wooden Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Measuring 17 WX21D, this organizer requires a cabinet opening of at least 18.25 WX21D. Crafted from durable bamboo with heavy-gauge metal rails, it offers a blend of sturdiness and elegance. The pull-out drawer features a full extension system that smoothly slides out, providing easy access to your kitchen, closet, or bathroom items while supporting up to 50 pounds. With its ultra-smooth sliding system and soft closing mechanism, it ensures a quiet and reliable performance. Installation is straightforward with a pre-assembled wooden tray and included instructions. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime limited warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The Locast Insulated Lunch Bag, designed for both durability and style. With dimensions of 10.5 LX6 WX11H, this spacious bag accommodates 2 9x5x 3-inch lunch containers and 2 330 milliliters drinks, making it ideal for work, picnics, hiking, and more. The wide-open design, facilitated by a dual zipper closure, allows for easy access and helps prevent leaks. The upgraded aluminum foil lining keeps your food warm and fresh for up to 6.5 hours, while built-in foam ensures your containers and snacks are well protected. Made from heavy-duty nylon with reinforced handles, this lunch bag withstands rigorous use, proving its resilience in load-shaking tests. Available in a variety of colors, including gray, it's both practical and stylish for any occasion. And that's a wrap on our top 12 best home decor gadgets. We hope you found some inspiration to spruce up your space. If you loved any of these gadgets, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow decor enthusiasts. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.